Well, good afternoon, folks. It's just about 2:30 here on the west coast of BC, and as you can see, it's a beautiful day. It's what, the 24th or 25th of February. All our snow's gone. Thank God. I hate that stuff. So yeah, it's a beautiful day. Try to bring those mountains in a little bit, but I don't know if they'll show up very well because I can't really see. But yeah, anyhow, it's a beautiful day here on the west coast. And what have I been up to? Not much. As you can see, the Ranger still has to be sorted out. Just haven't had much time, and with the snow and rain, and you know me, I work outside. This is my shop, Mother Nature's. But here's a little thing that I've been working on. Like, hell, I guess I started it 2 months ago or more. Just here and there, you know, whenever I got the energy. And yeah, so yeah, a lot of things have happened lately. You know, some good, some bad. But here, I'll show you what I've been doing. I got this inspiration from Mrs. Heavy Chevy. Yes, ladies, yes, gentlemen, I got inspiration from a lady. Nothing wrong with that, believe me, at all. But yeah, so I call this guy my little man. Here you go. My first piece of metal art. Okay, as you can see, this is a connecting rod from a 351 Cleveland. It's the one I got back because I couldn't use the other ones because they're the wrong rods, and that was the one that was, something was wrong with. I can't remember. It was oversized or gimped up somehow. But yeah, this was a serving tray that I cut down the middle. I took about, an inch and a half out and welded it back together. And as you can see, the rest are valve springs and the rocker arms. The feet are still adjustable. Those little bolts down there, I can just tighten up and loosen and turn the feet any way I want to. And yeah, as you can see, he's just got nuts and bolts for arms. Hope I'm seeing all this because I can't see too much. But yeah, and his little lance he's holding. I'm not too sure if I'm going to cut that down. Looks like you see what I'm filming here. I might cut it down to there. But yeah, my little man. But yeah, he stands pretty good. You know, it's weird how it worked out. For not falling over. As you can see, he's got a nice little kind of bend to him, and he's got a handle to hang on to. I might dress him up a bit more, I don't know. I was thinking of putting a head on him, but I think the end of the connecting rod is good enough for that. But yeah, my little man, my first piece of metal art. You know, yeah, inspiration came slow on this one. Yeah, as soon as I could see it, I can't see nothing for the sun in my eyes. But yeah, he's pretty cool, I think. Yeah. But anyhow, like I said, no big deal. It's just something to kill time. Okay. Well, yeah. So I'm going to be putting this back on the road soon. I built it to drive it, and I hate it sitting here. This is up for sale. Gonna sell that one. And like I said, and the Ranger, finished working on that and get it back on the road. So yeah, it's just gotta warm up. I mean, it's beautiful right now. It must be, I don't know, maybe 50 degrees out, something like that. But yeah, the sun's all out powerful. Okay, so I will leave you with that. So I hope everybody else is having a great day. Hope all your family's really well. Like I said, always tell your family you love them, because you could step out that door and it'd be the last time you did. Okay? Okay. Everyone take care. And peace out and build on. We'll all talk to you later. Okay? Bye.